Hello everybody, what's going on? So today we're having a severe thunderstorm. We did have a little one last night, but it wasn't a whole lot. I think this one here is much more worthy to record. It's actually around 5 o'clock p.m. right now, and it's really dark out. It's a little bit windy too. I'm gonna stay back, that way I don't get wet. Well, now the wind's starting to pick up. Look at that. Along with the rain too. The rain's also coming down heavier. Wow, it's getting on me still. Gotta move back even more. Wow, look at that wind. It made the iPad fall over. Wow. Camera's all fogged up. Well, sorry about that. Wow, look at that. Jesus. iPad is soaked. I'm gonna have to move this back because I don't want it to get that wet. Look at that rain just coming down. Trying to stay back as far as I can, but I'm still getting soaked. That's how heavy this rain is. It's intense. There's some lightning there, very dim lightning. You can see the rain blowing across the road there. That's how you know it's intense when that happens. See, the rain just blows across the road. Whew. I wish we got more thunder and lightning action. But geez, that's a lot of rain coming down. Good thing I picked the iPad up because it's like forming into a small puddle over there. Like a good amount of the porch is wet from all this rain. It's crazy. Damn. Look at that. It was actually really hot out earlier. At least it cooled down some. have to wipe off the camera again. Look at all the rain. That's just non-stop. Wow, that wind is just pushing the rain towards me. No wonder it's all soaked over here. I hate that when the rain gets all over the camera. I wish cameras were rain resistant, water resistant like that, so that way water doesn't get on them and makes it harder to see. Some lightning. Yeah, that's another thing. People drive by and you can see the puddles coming up. That happens too. That's how you know there's a lot of rain. You know there's a lot of wind when you see the rain, you know, coming across the road, the driveway. That means it's pretty windy and rainy. So wow, this is just... Sorry about that, guys. The camera is still foggy. Even when I wipe it off, it's still foggy. So I apologize for that. There's not much I can do about it. Neighbor just got home. Oh wow, look at that lightning. See that, guys? Damn! Oh my god, my pants are soaked now. I'm gonna have to change after this. All wet now. Sheesh. Look at that rain just dragging across. That's how you know it's heavy. That's how you know it's windy. That's how you know it's coming down hard. Both the wind and the rain. We actually haven't had rain this heavy in quite a while. Oh wow, look at that. Now we're getting a good shot. Saw those last two lightning strikes were pretty bright. See, if I point the iPad at the sky, we might get a lightning bolt on camera. Imagine if that happened. See the rain coming down? Coming off the house, coming out of the gutter, coming up from everywhere. Wow, look at that. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't really get a lot of thunderstorms anymore. Not as much as we used to. But this is actually the second one we've had this year. I hope we actually get more of them this summer. I'll post more videos like this as long as I have storage. Lately I've had decent storage on my iPad, so yeah, I just haven't felt like posting a lot of videos, that's why. The rain is loud too. And hopefully you can hear me. And I'm not raising my voice too much. Look at that. The rain is everywhere. Pouring down really hard. The wind's moving it everywhere. This is something. And now my pants are soaking wet. They're my pajama pants, actually. They're not like jeans or anything like that. They're light pajama pants. So now I gotta go inside and change them. I think my shirt is okay, but my pants are drenched. Wow. I don't know what that was, but it's crazy when you gotta drive in this. Let's go check the backyard. Well, I guess that wasn't the neighbor because her car is still there. That must have been another car. It looks very similar to that one. Oh wow, see that lightning, guys? Look at that, huh? The rain's coming down. Yep. That's something. Another thing too is, you know, the weather keeps on calling for thunderstorms and we don't end up getting any. And then I get disappointed because I've been waiting for thunderstorms and now we finally get some. Oh wow, look at it. Over there, there's a giant puddle. That is huge. See that over there? That's a puddle. Apologize, my fingers were getting in the camera there. Sorry about that. So I shouldn't put my fingers near the top left side of, you know, where the camera is, because then that could happen. It's even in the grass over there. It's everywhere. See the rain in the grass? Look at that. The rain's everywhere. It's all over the place. Happened again. Dang it. I'm trying to put this iPad somewhere where it can stay, and I hope it doesn't fall over. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. Alright, never mind. Look at that rain coming down. See that rain? It's coming down really hard. Puddle right there too. See that? I'm gonna go back up here. Ugh. See the porch? Look how wet that is. It's insanely wet. The rain did slow down a little bit, just a tiny bit. It's still raining pretty heavy, but it slowed down just a tad, because remember earlier, like, it was making the camera all foggy, and even the wind slowed down too. That's why you can see it more clear now, which is good. So yeah.